Hello everyone and welcome to the LEP online workshops. My name is Tom and I'm the designer and the founder of Little Mammoth, a small design studio based just outside of Bristol. Here at Little Mammoth we design products, services and experiences, and as a designer I wear many hats: model maker, illustrator, engineer, but today I'm here to teach you guys. I'm here to help you develop your ideas and give you an insight into the new product development process. Together we'll transform your concepts, complete your workbooks and hopefully give you the chance to snap up the Longitude Explorer Prize. This session is focused on the product development phase. This phase is important to help you evaluate your ideas through prototyping and to conduct research to gain feedback from your users. Hopefully you've all received the workshop pack. And for this last session you'll need worksheets 6 and 7, some pens and as much prototyping materials as you can grab. This includes things like card, plastic, paper, etc. Have a hunt through the recycling and see what you can find. After workshop 1, you'll have selected a fantastic concept to develop. And in this session, we will help you to plan how to make a model of this idea and how to explain it to your user group. Hopefully this all makes sense. If you have any questions, please pass it on to your teacher or supervisor and we can get them answered before the session starts. All that's left for me to say is I look forward to seeing you all on Thursday. See you then. Bye bye.